How to find saved chats on Deepseek AI. Hey there, welcome to Insightful Tutorials. Without further ado, let's get started. Open Deepseek AI app on your mobile device. Tap on the two horizontal lines at the top. A side menu will appear. From here, you will find all your saved chats on Deepseek AI. As you can see, I have 3 saved chats. You can access any of your past conversations by single tapping on them. For example, I will open Save Chat 2 by tapping on it. Then, you will be able to access your entire conversation made in that specific chat. To go back and forth, simply tap on the two horizontal lines again. Then, open any saved chat of your choice by tapping on it. Or you can even tap on the new chat button to start a new chat. And boom! You have successfully learned how to find saved chats on Deepseek AI. That's it for today's video. If you found this video insightful, please don't forget to hit the like button and make sure to subscribe to our channel for more insightful tutorials.